Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today we got us another subscription box. This one is from Hunt Vault Elite. They've got one box, Elite. You get this box, you are elite. But before we see how elite we are, hopefully, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I really greatly appreciate you. Skynet be on that flim flam, man. It'd be unsubscribing people from the channel. So make sure the button's still pressed down there. And you know, the notification bell, you can ring it. It won't really do nothing, but ring it anyway. All right, so you guys ready to get into a Hunt Vault, man? See what we got in this Hunt Vault. I'm kind of worried because this box is kind of small. But even though the small boxes, we still got the target. All right, so you guys ready? Hunt Vault, let's do it. All right, so we are back with Hunt Vault. And like I said before, man, if you're interested in them, you know, all you got to do is use the old Google to look up Hunt Vault. You'll find it. This is a family-owned, veteran-owned company. If you are a veteran, reach out to them. They'll hook you up with a discount if you reach out to them, all that kind of stuff. As of the recording of this video, they still have the Elite, but the way they sell it to you is a little bit different. You can do the month-to-month, or you can do a 12-month. Now, if you do a 12-month commitment, they will take $10 a month off of the plan. So it'll save you a little bit of money if you give them that yearly commitment. So just kind of saying. And here is your top-down view of this Hunt Vault box. There it is. Okay. As per usual, got to give my channel members a little peek, a little sneak peek. And if any of you are curious about why I show channel members, down there's a little join button that you can find below the video. And for $4.99 per month, you can become a channel member. And you can be here with me live while I do these videos. And you can give me commentary live and make fun of me and all that kind of stuff. And be disparaging and all that kind of stuff and everything like that. Uh-oh. Someone's trying to come in here. All right, I'm going to scan this to see if it actually brings me to the actual box. And it does. This is the October Elite box. Awesome. Okay. And we do have prices. So as we go through this stuff, we will look and go through it, okay? All right. Okay, so I guess let's just start pulling this stuff out of the box. And it's got packing material everywhere. So I hope that this stuff does not make me sneeze. Man, come on. God, dog. All right, so the first thing we got here is a rechargeable headlamp from Cyclops. I have received several other items from this company, Cyclops, in the past, okay? And haven't had an issue with it as a company. Let's see. What is the deal with this? Okay, it says it does some weirdness. I don't know what this is. I mean, a lot of times I don't open some of this stuff. I put it into giveaways for you. This may be the same thing. It may make it into a giveaway. But it says it is a 2-hour high mode, a 3-hour low mode, a 2-hour red, a 20-hour flashing, 150 lumen on high. For the profile, I mean, this thing is not big at all. And I'm thinking this has I think it has an integrated battery, which I'm pretty sure there's a lot of negatives that people can say about an integrated battery. It says it is powered by a 3.7 volt, 500 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. It's IPX4 water resistant, and it has a PIR sensor activation mode. So there you go. And like I said, hopefully we do have prices so we can go through the prices of some of this stuff. All right. All right, we got something from Muddy. This is the what? What is this? Let's see. I can't read the title because it's obscured by the product. Magna Lift. Okay, so this is okay. So this is the if you need to get stuff up and down from your stand, like you got a buddy running around and you need something from him and you're up in your tree stand, you pull this out. It has a carabiner that they include, and you see how you can dog, you know, whatever, and you know, you can kind of pull it up to you in your tree stand. You know, I don't know what else to tell you. You know, you can take stuff up, you can lower stuff down. It's 30 feet of nylon rope. There's nothing else I can say about that. As long as the rope doesn't suck and it doesn't break, then you're good. All right, now the next thing we got, Hunting Made Easy, which is HME, which is this is a brand that I have started seeing specifically in Hunt Vault. That I don't know if they're partnering with them. I would assume so, because we're starting to see this Hunting Made Easy product line. This is going to be a trail cam holder. So basically, it's kind of got a lag set up here on the end. You screw it into a tree or post or whatever, and then it has the 1/4-20 mount right here for the bottom of a trail cam, and it does have this joint right here that you can loosen, so you can articulate the trail cam, point it, whatever, tighten it back up. That's all this is, you know. And I know a lot of you guys that hunt probably have 100 of these things, so not really a whole lot to say about a trail cam mount holder. Okay, then we got something from Oakley, which I will look at here in just a second. I'm kind of curious about what this is. Oh, it's a deer drag. Okay. Okay, so that is the next thing. We have a deer drag. Is that it? Is that all we got? Is that all we got? We got a bunch of stuff to make me sneeze, and then we got Proverbs 18:10. All right, that's everything in this particular box. Boy, I'm gonna tell you, them Oakleys better be good, because I am not impressed with this box right now. All right, so we got the Hawk Cinch deer drag, and basically it is exactly what it says it is. There's a depiction of the buck. You wrap this around it. This acts as your handle, so it's just you know. And there you go. You can even wrap this. Oh wait, can you bend it? Can you bend it? Because it says you can do like that. You can dog it to your ATV. All right, so there you go. There's the depiction. I mean, there you go. I am not a hunter. I sport target shoot. So I do have tons of hunter friends. So it's about to be Christmas. It makes me look like I'm a good person, right? I'm a thoughtful person. So there you go. So that's where that will go. All right, now the last thing, we got a pair of Oakleys. And these are Holbrook. Okay, so we got a pair of sunglasses. All right, I am not opposed to getting a pair of sunglasses at all. I will not complain about getting a pair of sunglasses. And these are Oakleys. So let's see, are these going to be crappy Oakleys? They look kind of nerdy, bro. I'm not going to lie. I'm not really feeling it. Bro, not really feeling it. These look very plain Jane. I don't like these. These I don't know, man. I don't think these are going to make me super cool. I mean, what y'all think? Do I look... I mean, does this do it? Is this a thumbnail? I don't think it is. I don't like these shape of sunglasses. I don't know. I don't know. All right, so that's it. All right, let's see what the prices are, because or maybe they forgot. Oh my Lord, have mercy. The Oakleys. How much do you guys think these Oakleys are? How much do y'all think these Oakleys are? Give me some guesses. $180, bro. What the crap? All right. The Cyclops 150 lumen rechargeable headlamp, they're saying that's 28 bucks. The Muddy Lift is 25 bucks. The Deer Drag is 19 bucks. And the Trail Holder is 12 bucks. Woo, bro. Whew, man, I don't know. I don't know, guys. What do y'all think? I mean, Hunt Vault, what do y'all think? What do y'all think? Are y'all on board? Are y'all on board? I mean, a rope pull upper thing, downer thing, a deer drag up down thing, a very suspect looking headlamp, and a trail camera mount, and a pair of very expensive Oakleys. And before I go any further, yes, my youngest daughter came in here, and I already knew, I kind of shooed her away because I already knew she was wanting me to make popcorn. Okay, so I'm just saying. So yes, you saw my daughter peek in. My youngest daughter came in here and she climbed over my cords to stick her head in the frame to say hi. So yeah. All right, so Cliff is coming in strong saying a box of crap. I'm going to tell you, this is the genius of being a channel member, because I've got people here that are telling me that this was a box of crap, and I'm going to agree. This was not a good box. Because let's face it, somebody subscribing to a box called Hunt Vault, they either have stuff like this, they don't need it. Especially this. Come on, bro. Come on. Maybe they need this, maybe. But the sunglasses, bro, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'm being too negative. Maybe I'm being too negative. It's a weak box, man. All right, so my channel members have spoken. This box, poo-poo. I'm just saying it's poo-poo. If we were in the Coliseum right now, this box, all right, for you watching, man, hey, go to the comment section. Let me know what you think about this box from Hunt Vault. I think this box was very, very, very much a disappointment. All right, so without further ado, this was Hunt Vault. But look, listen, they can't all be winners. Okay, this is when you roll the dice on these subscription boxes. They ain't all going to be great. You're going to get some like this that just ain't good. It's okay. You got to have hopes that next month will be better. All right, thank you for hanging out with me. If you made it this far, I don't know why I'm putting them back on. If you made it this far, I really greatly appreciate you. Hey, give me a thumbs up on the video if you don't mind. Not for the box, because that'll be nothing but thumbs down. Don't do that. Give it a thumbs up because I took one for the team on this month, okay? That make me feel a little better. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's it, guys. That's all I got. And as per usual, may the Lord bless you in everything that you do and give you comfort, rest, strength, courage, whatever you need. Pray, and you shall find it. With that, guys, I'm out of here. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Y'all be cool. Peace.